Hi and welcome to Swedish Plant Guys. In this video we give you 5 quick tips on Calatheas, and this will apply to all different types of Calatheas. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. That really helps our channel a lot. And follow us on Facebook and Instagram where you can get sneak previews on upcoming videos. Number 1. Don't be alarmed if your Calathea moves its leaves around during the day. That is fully natural. That is why it's called the living plant. It follows something called the circadian rhythm, which means the 24-hour of light and temperature during the day and night. So at nighttime, it has the leaves upwards like this. And during the day, it actually uses pressure in the nodes here to move the leaves down. And they do this to optimize the amount of light that can hit the leaves during the day. Number 2, never ever place your Calathea in direct sunlight. This will weaken the plant, it will injure the leaves, and you will get brown tips, brown edges, and the entire plant can look a little bit shaded or faded. It wants medium to bright indirect sunlight and it will thrive. Number 3, always use drainage holes for your Calatheas. If it's standing in water, you will get problems. Problems can include yellow leaves or yellow stems, and if it goes too far, root rot. Now root rot will show itself by giving you black spots on the leaves and giving you black mushy roots in the soil. Number 4, if you're not giving your Calathea enough water, what will happen is that you will get brown tips, brown edges, or even curling leaves. If you see this, increase the frequency of when you water your Calathea. Number 5, if you get problems with the leaves, if you get brown tips or brown edges, you can trim that off. Just use a sharp scissor. Make sure that it's clean so that you're not transferring any bacteria or fungus to the leaf. Just trim off the brown, follow the contours of the leaf, and it will look natural, as if it was never there. Now, if you like this video, or if you're more interested in Calatheas in general, we have an in-depth video you can go and watch after this one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps our channel a lot. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do, and hit the bell as well so you get a notification every time we put up something new. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram where you can get sneak previews on upcoming videos and sometimes a little bit more. Now until next time, hej då!